Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of importing data from Excel into Power BI desktop application. For that, we need to launch Power BI desktop application and need to find the option called Get Data under the Home section. Upon clicking on Get Data, you will able to find Excel workbook connection. You need to click on it, which will enable us to browse for the required file. Now I need to load orders file so that I am selecting it and clicking on open. We need to wait for the connection need to be get established. Once it get established, you can able to find the list of sheets under the Excel file that we have loaded like this. So now I am going to load this order sheet so that I am selecting it and clicking on load. On clicking on the load, the file will get loaded into Power BI desktop and we can start working on that data. That's it. By following above simple steps, we can import data from Excel into Power BI desktop application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.